In this video, I'll guide you through how to strike through text in Google Keep using its built-in checklist feature. Whether you're keeping track of a to-do list, planning a project, or just want a simple way to mark items as done, strike through is a really handy visual cue that helps you see your progress at a glance. First, open your web browser and go to keep.google.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account so you can access your notes. Once the page loads, you'll see your existing notes laid out as cards on the main screen. Take a moment to find the note where you want to add strike-through items. This could be an existing list or just a regular note you've already started. Click on that note to open it. When the note expands, you'll see its title and content along with a row of icons underneath. To use strike-through in Google Keep, you'll actually be turning your content into a checklist. This is because Google Keep doesn't have a traditional strike-through formatting button, but it does automatically apply a line through checked checklist items. Look for the small checkbox icon in the toolbar at the bottom of the note. It usually looks like a square with a check mark inside. Click that icon. As soon as you do, your note will switch into checklist mode. If there was already text in your note, Google Keep may try to convert each line into a checklist item. If it's a new note, you'll now see a blank line with an empty checkbox on the left side. Now start typing your items. For example, you might type tasks like buy groceries, reply to emails, or finish report. After you type one item, press enter on your keyboard to move to the next line, and Keep will automatically create another checkbox for you. Continue adding as many items as you need. The important thing is that each item you want to be able to strike through should be on its own line with its own checkbox. Once you've created your checklist, you're ready to use the strike through effect. Whenever you complete an item, simply click the checkbox next to that item. The moment you check it, Google Keep will automatically apply a line through the text, visually marking it as done. In many cases, the checked items will also move to a completed section within the note, staying visible but clearly separated from the items you still need to work on. This automatic strike-through is what makes checklists in Google Keep so useful. Instead of manually formatting your text, you just check the box and let Keep handle the rest. If you accidentally mark something as done, don't worry, you can click the checkbox again to uncheck it. The line will disappear and the item will return to the active list. That's really all there is to it. Open your note in Google Keep, turn it into a checklist with the checkbox icon, type your items, and then click the checkbox next to any item you want to strike through. Using this simple workflow, you can quickly see what's done, what's left, and keep your notes clean and organized.